Did it stop in time? Shit. All right, let's see what this got me. Stop. Read. 137. That's the fastest this car ever went. I tied my PB on this car. 137. Look clear behind me. That was a good pass. All right, let's see what I got. Stop. Read. 147. Whew, that was scary. 147. Made it back to me though, but it was acting up. So let's just see what it did. Stop. Read. 158. That ran actually straight. Top speed for this car is 158. Let's see if we beat that. Let's see what we got. Stop. Think. Oh, it's broken. Oh, there we go. Read. 167 slash 4x4. 167. Here I come. I got it stopped. Show that it's still on the car. Alright, here. Stop. Read. What'd I get? 169. 169. Damn it. Alright, let's see if I can get a decent pass in with this one. Well, let's just see what it did. Stop. Read. 170. So this car 170. I'm in the 170s. Slash 4x4. 170. Here I come. Okay, let's see what it did. Moment of truth. Stop. Read. 171. I got 1 mile per hour. Here I come. Damn it. It lost control. Damn it. That was a hard crash right there. Oh. I'm missing a wheel, an axle. Oh. Let's just see what it did on the damage. Where was I? I was at 172. That would have been that was gonna be a PB for this car.